Why is crypto down today? October 16, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. Without a renewed catalyst to lift prices back above $117,100, the market risks deeper contraction toward the lower boundary of the $108,400 to $117,100 range, Glassnode says. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Journalist, Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. October 16, 2025. The crypto market is down today, with the cryptocurrency market capitalization decreasing by 1.4%, rising to $3.88 trillion. Of the top 100 coins, 93 have dropped over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $194 billion. TLDR. The crypto market capitalization is down by 1.4% on Thursday morning, UTC. 93 of the top 100 coins and 9 of the top 10 coins are down. BTC is down 2.2% to $110,774, and ETH fell 4.4% to $3,993. The drop below the $117,000 to $114,000 cost basis zone put top buyers in loss. This latest contraction is particularly concerning. A long-dormant Bitcoin wallet transferred a whopping 2,000 BTC on Thursday. US OCC has granted preliminary conditional approval to Erebor Bank. US BTC spot ETFs saw outflows on Wednesday of $94 million, while ETH spot ETFs recorded inflows of $5.32 million. The weaker ETF inflows signal fading institutional demand. Bitmine Immersion Technologies acquired another 104,336 ETH. Crypto market sentiment stands within the fear zone, at the level last seen in April. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, 9 of the top 10 coins per market capitalization have seen their prices decrease over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, decreased by 2.2% since this time yesterday, currently trading at $110,774. Bitcoin, BTC, $107,805.0, 9-11.64% 24H730D1Y all-time. Ethereum, ETH, is down by 4.4%, now changing hands at $3,993. The highest drop in the category is 6.8% by Solana, SOL, which currently trades at $192. Is followed by XRP's 5.5% to $2.39. The only green coin is Tron, TRX, which appreciated 0.4% to the price of $0.3216. Looking at the top 100 coins, we find 93 of them in red. Among these, Bittenzer, TAO, is the reddest, having dropped 14.2% to $388. 2 more coins recorded double-digit drops. Aster, with 12.8% and Story, IP, with 10%, now trading at $1.32 and $6, respectively. On the other side, Chainopera AI, COAI, is at the top, recording another substantial day of gains, with a rise of 53.1% to $24. It's followed by the only other 2 coins with increases over 0.5%. Provenance Blockchain, Hash, and Figurehelik, FIGR_Helik, which are up by 5.4% and 3.2% to $0.03561 and $1.02, respectively. Meanwhile, a long-dormant Bitcoin wallet awoke on Thursday to transfer a whopping 2,000 BTC, worth about $222 million, into 51 new addresses. This has prompted discussion about whether early holders will be potentially selling or just shuffling their funds. The market risks deeper contraction. Bitcoin's rally to $126,100 reversed amid macro stress and a $19 billion futures deleveraging, one of the largest in history, the Glassnode analysts said in their latest report. The renewed sell pressure was amplified by the trade threats from the U.S. towards China. Notably, the drop below the $117,000 to $114,000 cost basis zone put top buyers in the loss territory. It also exposed renewed market fragility. Moreover, the weaker ETF inflows signal fading institutional demand. The report notes, while spot markets saw a sharp though orderly sell-off. This latest contraction is particularly concerning, as it marks the third instance since late August where Bitcoin's spot price has dipped below the 0.95 quantile price model, $117,100. A level where over 5% of supply, primarily held by top buyers, sits at a loss, say the analysts. Without a renewed catalyst to lift prices back above $117,100, the market risks deeper contraction toward the lower boundary of the $108,400 to $117,100 range. Historically, when price fails to hold this zone, the report argues, it has often preceded prolonged mid to long-term corrections, making a sustained drop below $108,000 a critical warning signal of structural weakness. They concluded that despite rapid stabilization, the market remains in a reset phase, where renewed ETF inflows and sustained on-chain accumulation will be key to restoring confidence and confirming a durable recovery. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Thursday morning, BTC trades at $110,774. Early in the day, the coin decreased to the intraday low of $110,392 from the intraday high of $112,697. It's been trading sideways since that point. A breakout above $114,600 could lead to the move toward $117,600. That may result in an increase to $119,800 and $120,000. On the other hand, BTC could drop to $109,500 and proceed towards the $100,000 level, possibly even dip below that level. Ethereum is currently changing hands at $3,993. It saw a plunge from the day's high of $4,165 to the low of $3,944. The coin has been consolidating between $3,900 and $4,700 for the past several months. There is still a chance for ETH to continue dropping towards the $3,700 level, followed by $3,550. On the other hand, it may break above $4,200 and rise toward $4,450. Ethereum, ETH, $3, 848.97-11.70%, 24H730D1Y all time. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment keeps dropping within the fear zone, reaching the lowest point in 6 months. The crypto fear and greed index has dropped from 37 yesterday to 32 today, the lowest value since April this year. There is a notable increase in caution among investors and traders, which may push the prices down further. On the other hand, lower prices may also provide a buying opportunity. ETFs see mixed picture. The US BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, went back into the red on Wednesday, after a single day of inflows, with $94 million in outflows. The total net inflow is now down to $62.45 billion. Of the 12 ETFs, 2 saw flows and both are negative. Grayscale recorded outflows of $82.9 million, while Invesco let go of $11.1 million. However, the US ETH ETFs recorded $5.32 million in inflows on October 15th. The cumulative total net inflow now stands at $14.72 billion. 2 of the 9 finds saw positive flows, and 1 saw negative flows. The highest among these is Bitwise $12.31 million, followed by Fidelity's $996,440 million. At the same time, 21 shares let go of $7.98 million. Meanwhile, Bitmine Immersion Technologies increased its ETH holdings on Thursday, acquiring 104,336 ETH, worth about $417 million. With the latest addition, the firm now holds roughly 3.03 million ETH, valued at about $12.2 billion. They aim to amass 5% of the coin's total supply. Furthermore, the U.S. Office of the Comptroller of the Currency (OCC) has granted preliminary conditional approval to Erebor Bank, a new financial institution/bank backed by major players Peter Thiel, Palmer Luckey, and Joe Lonsdale. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move against stocks today? The crypto market has decreased over the past day, and the stock market saw a mixed picture on Wednesday. By the closing time on October 15th, the S&P 500 was up by 0.4%, the Nasdaq 100 increased by 0.68%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 0.037%. The stock market has turned lower due to the U.S. president's trade threats against China. Is this drop sustainable? It's likely that we will continue to see the market fluctuate in this period of increased market volatility. You may also like live crypto news today. Latest updates for October 16, 2025. Crypto prices continued to fall across most sectors as the entire crypto market lost 1.2% in the past 24 hours. But the AI sector stood out with a second straight day of gains, rising 4.51% in the past 24 hours. Chainopera AI, COAI, led the rally, soaring 56.47% after a 25% jump yesterday. In contrast, the leading crypto Bitcoin, BTC, declined 1.29% to below $112,000, while Ethereum, ETH, dropped 2.6% to around $4,000. Other sectors remained under pressure. SuFi fell 1.99%. DeFi slid 3.89%. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. XRP price prediction. SEC filings hint at imminent ETF launch. Is this XRP's moment to hit $1,000? XRP price prediction. $63 million whale dump hits Binance, but smart money is already buying the dip. XRP price prediction. Ripple's Swell 2025 event could change everything. 3-week countdown begins now. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin, Pepe by the end of 2025. Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech tomorrow could trigger a crypto market crash. Here's what to expect. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? October 14, 2025. 2 days ago. By Fadilpašić. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Big buyers are back after the crash. Explosive rally is starting now. 2 days ago. By Arslan Butt. Bitcoin news. Trump insider whale who made $160 million from BTC crash is building massive shorts again. Another meltdown ahead? 2 days ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. October 1, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 7 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 6 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 5 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 6 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 13 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.